Now we are going to analyze 12 to 19. So for that, in this particular range, we have to be aware about both the numbers. If we are going to use this particular technique, both the numbers should be within this range. As an example, 12 and 13. These two numbers are lying in between 12 to 19. So if we multiply 12 times 13, the technique will become very easy because we have to multiply the last two digits. That means 2 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 6. The next thing we have to do is we have to add these final two digits, which is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. And then, as we did so far for the last two digits, we have to do this for first two digits. That means we have to multiply 1 times 1 will always become as 1, because we have to use only this technique in between 12 to 19. So let me give you another example. 14 times 15. We have to multiply 4 times 5, which is equal to 0, and 2 is the remainder. And 4 plus 5, which is equal to 9, and the remainder is added together to result 11. And also 1 is another remainder. And then finally we have to multiply 1 times 1, and then the answer will be 1, and also remember to add the remainder, so that the answer will become as 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So hope you understand about the techniques in between 12 to 19.